working from 7 morning to 10 evening. Astra Park. Oh, he live here? Yes. Seven already open. Ah, no, close, temporary close. But what they do? Renovation. What kind of renovation? All the same. Tomorrow open. Okay, thank you. He said tomorrow open. What is this? Kokomas? Ah, what Kokomas?
Inside.
Ah, girl from Kokomas. You know her.
Wait.
Huh? Waitress from Kokomas. Can you walk a little bit here? I want to check how much normal exchange dollar. They invite us to a Korean restaurant. Okay, thank you. Georgi, new cafe shop. You can check, maybe have coffee, ask how much coffee here? How much coffee? Coffee, yes, coffee. Cappuccino.
Oh, here.
Wait, I will show to my friend.
It's cheaper than...
Yes, it's cheaper, yeah. Georgi, next time you can try. He already been. He like coffee.
Next time if
Yeah, thank you.
you like that.
Same cafe.
Ага. You already know. Вот и соуса. Кофе. How much? $55.50. Okay. А what is this? Free drinks? А what is this?
Yes. Free first drink.
Free first drink.
Yes.
А what name of this?
Sweet hot.
Ага. Ballybago, наверное, normal exchange.
Come here. There's a ladies there.
What I want today filming and over here.
It come here.
Okay, I just to show to my subscribers, maybe they want to come.
Maybe take your friend there.
Okay, later maybe.
It's for you. It's a
It's for me. But better you give to another because I already take picture. I already in camera.
It's okay.
It's okay? Okay, okay. Spa, massage also. Georgi, how much massage? You don't know. Okay. No, you need ask. Okay, it's for you, Georgi. Free.
I asked
Free coupon for you.
what province?
From which province?
Yes.
Pampanga. What problem? Province. Any province is good. Yes. That's why you can go and first drink for free. Another cool massage. How many massage place here? Full massage 400 peso is foot massage. 300 is foot scrub. Okay. Oh, many girls live here, you remember? Inside. Natalia Villas for rent. Before it's full, now have.